welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. I'm gonna give y'all a tour of where we at today. We are in, say hi, Lyric, go ahead. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
We back in Branson, Missouri for the second time. And we're staying in the Westgate Resort. Okay, we're staying in the Westgate Resort. We're on a little spring break trip. Just us three this time. Jada, she's somewhere under some palm trees. But anyways, let's get to it. We're gonna start right now with the dining room. This is the first thing you're gonna see when you walk in here. Nice little dining room for us to, eat dinner and all that. We got two little large windows out here to see the view. I mean, it's a view. But yeah, this is the dining room. Okay, we're gonna go over here to the first door. This is just closet space. We got just, our necessities. We got our iron board, our iron, broom, mop. All right, let's get it rolling. Hold on. Oh, that's just, yeah. Okay, we're gonna, first we're gonna go over here first. We got the washer and dryer, which is very needed, much needed, because we like to go back home with clean clothes. So we have the washer and dryer. Especially when kids like Lyric like to dirty their clothes, we can wash them, We'll go in this closet right here. This is just a joint-in door to the other room. So I'm just gonna close that. I'm gonna take you right over here to the kitchen. Me and my wife, we love to have a kitchen because we like to cut corners. We like to make breakfast or make dinner to where we ain't gotta go out and spend no money. Refrigerator, toaster, oven, stove, everything you need in the kitchen. Let's see what we got inside of here. Okay, we got our bowls, we got our plates, we got our cups. Did you bring some tea? Okay. Let's go over here. We got some more cups. See, they got it all put together real nice. And we go over here. We got our silverware. We gotta have our silverware. So what we gonna do? Eat with our hands? Okay, that's nothing in that. Okay, nothing in those. Close that. See what we got over here. Okay, just our little spoons for the eggs and all that. Make the eggs. Oh, okay, that's what I was waiting for, the pots and pans. We need them in case we want to make some dinner here and breakfast. And over here, this is just extra space, we want to put something in here. Got the coffee maker for the coffee drinkers. We don't drink coffee, so. We got our trash can and our cleaning supplies, because we need that. Dishwasher, we don't use the dishwasher. And, okay, some other stuff. Baking stuff. I call it baking stuff. Oh, y'all know what that is? Wine opener. No. All right, come over here. Oh yeah, can't forget, we got the little, I always call it a little bar area because it reminds me of a bar. I got the chairs right here. Sit down, we can just chill, have a little drink. So that's a little bar area. Over here, we got a little mirror. I call this a selfie mirror because we're gonna look at it before we walk out, make sure we straight. It's got a little table to set stuff on it. We already set stuff on it. I'm gonna take you over here to the front room. This is where we're gonna be chilling. And this is where Lyric can take over too and do his little thing. Oh, we got another view over here, another window to see out. We got our little chair, to chill right here, and then got our little table. Set our little drinks right there and just chill. Check this out right here though. I like this. I like the design in this table. That's pretty nice. It's giving us a little cabin feel. Look at Lyric. So yeah, we got our two couches, and both of these couches are pull-out beds. So if we have more guests, they'll be able to lay on beds. You know what I'm saying? Then we have the TV. Of course, we gotta have the TV, and we got the fireplace. Oh, I'm thinking it's real wood, but yeah, we got the fireplace. Come check out this bathroom. It's just a normal bathroom. You see, we got the his and hers sink and all that. So you see, my wife already took over that side, so I guess I got this side. So yeah, toilet, of course, mirror. But this is the best part right here. We've been longing for a nice little hot tub, and we got a hot tub in here. So it's gonna be a lot of baths getting taken in this bathroom. All right, I'm gonna take y'all to where the magic happens. Oh damn, that's my whole thing. All right, this is the master room. Yes, y'all. This is the master room.
Hi.
This is the husband, wife's place of peace. This is our closet. We already got our stuff hung up, so we have everything in order. You can just put it back in when they're dirty. Get them ready. Of course, this is my side. The man must always sleep next to the door. That's my wife's side. We got our drawers and our lamps, you know, nightstands and everything, you know, a normal bedroom. We got our TV so we can watch TV at night when we chilling. And then of course, we got a chair over here so we can chill and, you know, gather up our thoughts. And then here goes our view. Just got a little lake in the back. I forgot my fishing poles, but they got a little fish down there. We can't eat anyways. But yeah, this is our view. It's pretty cool. I like it, man. This is a nice little spot. Yeah, I'm gonna take you out to the balcony. This is the last piece of the spot. We got two ways in. We got a way in coming from the front room and a way in coming from our room. Okay, this right here is the balcony. This is where we're gonna be chilling at. As you know, it's March. Spring break just started, so the weather probably gonna only be in like the 50s. So, but that's cool for us, you know, for us coming from the Midwest. But yeah, this is real spacious. We can like fit like 3-4 tables out here if we wanted to. But yeah, this is where we at for spring break. Westgate Resort, Branson, Missouri. Good place to come, you know, take your family. They got a lot of stuff to do. Y'all gonna follow us on this journey. So this is where we at. Come on, son. Let's let them on out. All right, come on, come on. Come on. Now I showed y'all everything. Showed y'all where we at for a few days. Like I said, if y'all wanna come and visit, especially at this place, it's called the Westgate Resorts in Branson, Missouri. But now we about to get ready to turn up, you know what I'm saying? Because we on vacation, so we gonna holler at y'all later. Like I said, welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. We always in and out. But right now, I'm out.